Huawei Band 6 finally launched in Indonesia by offering some comprehensive but diffuse features. Some of the advantages of this smart bracelet are famous for their easy-to-use and multi-connections nature. Huawei Indonesia launched its newest bracelet called Huawei Band 4 globally in early April. This Huawei Band 6 is claimed to have a large screen and has nearly 100 training modes. Here are the full features. Big screen. Huawei Band 6 comes with a bigger screen than its predecessors. The smart bracelet has a ratio of 1.47 inches, while the Huawei Band 4 has 0.96-inch screen. Huawei Band 6 screen upgrade increased by 148%, while the screen body ratio on the Huawei Band 6 can also reach 64%, which means that this wearable device can monitor more than half of the conditions in your body. This information about the user's body conditions can be displayed for further development of the smart bracelet experience. Meanwhile, the screen panel of this device is also packed with OLED with a resolution of 368 x 194 pixels. Huawei also added many watch faces that users can change every day. Easy to use. This Huawei Band 6 device weighs 18 grams and is very sensitive. When sweeping left or right, to access the main screen can change quickly. To swipe up or down, it also displays a quick setting screen and message reminders that can be connected to the cell phone. There is a simple set button to display a list of functions, and press and hold the button to turn off the phone. Monitoring heart rate and menstruations. Huawei Band 6 also has a health conditions monitoring feature that is suitable for both men and women. This device has TrueSyn 4 technology, which functions as a 24 hours per 7 days heart rate monitor and will alert you in case of abnormalities. Other features available include TrueSleep 2 for sleeping tracking and SpO2 for tracking blood oxygen levels, TrueRelax for stress monitoring and menstrual cycle tracking.